Welcome back. We have covered in our previous session what does HR notice in our resume. Now we will cover what do HR or employer want in a resume. Since there are multiple resume to view, they want a sorted resume. A resume that is appealing to view and in proper format. This definitely is a must. We do not want HR to take more effort to see what we want to represent. So either bold, highlight, headers and put them in proper format. Do not worry, we will discuss formats in some time in detail. Many candidates write paragraph and stories instead of bullet points, and that also makes HR difficult to read, and there is a chance they might miss some important points, and we don't want that for sure. But if we could do that, which makes easy for HR to read in less time and to get to the main point that we would like to share, bullet point works. So short and to the point is important. For the ones who have work experience, if you have any accomplishment, this gives HR a confidence on your candidature. So we need to highlight it and put it in our resume for sure. We'll discuss this in detail how to do that, but ensure you put your accomplishment in your experience, if not less equal important than what you do. And the last point is HR wants you to fulfill a need company has, not what you want to offer. Getting? Let's say you want to sell a thing, but a person does not need it. Do you think other person will ever buy it? Chances are he or she will not buy it, or chances are very few. In the same manner, HR wants to buy. What do they want to buy? Your skills. So your skills are selling point which HR should be interested in buying. So if you write what you want to sell, maybe you are having what HR is looking for, but you don't showcase. You think HR will buy your skills? No. So why should HR be interested if you cannot offer what they want? So here what I mean is our resume should be edited to suit or showcase what HR wants if we want that job. We'll cover this exactly in detail in keyword section. This also would be discussed from start till the end, wherein I'll ensure topic is being shared as per the level. The way in which we move in the flow, definitely things would be covered. So see you in the next session. Thank you so much.